Funny little thing, isn't she?
Dive on, Gregory!
Now pin your ears back, man, and listen, because we haven't got much time.
Move on, man! Faster, go on! Jump! Jump! Come on! Get up there! Come on! Get up there! Gregory, you mad? I'll have you whipped! Huh? Where's Gregory?
Oh, I gave him the rest of the day off.
Who the devil are you?
Swift Nick.
Swift Nick? What the devil's sort of name is that? Sir John! Matthew! Alan! Reuben! Frank! Oh, Mac! Get Matthew and Adam and the others. Sir John's been captured by Dick Turpin.
He's in the Great Hall.
Sir John?
Dick Turpin.
Ah, Spiker. I was beginning to think you'd never get here. You must be tired after all that galloping about. Sit down. Spiker, if you shoot me, you'll be looking for a new master. And after what happened today, nobody will want you.
What have you done with Sir John?
Done with him? I haven't done anything to him.
Scoundrel!
Now, come along, Spiker. You mustn't lose your temper. Try to think of this as a little friendly get-together.
Where is he?
I'm coming to that. You really are so impatient, Spiker. That's another problem of yours. By the way, the coach is in a thicket near Turl Hill.
Damn you, Turpin. How much do you want? 200, 300, huh?
Did I say anything about money? I don't want money, Spiker. I want Morgan.
Morgan.
There's a clearing about a mile north of Lemsford Mill. We'll meet 10 o'clock tomorrow. You bring Morgan, and I'll bring Sir John. And come alone, Spiker. No fancy ambushes. Sir John wouldn't like it.
You have my word.
Yes.
William? You're going hunting tomorrow, near Lemsford Mill.
Sir John. Your health, Sir John.
Yours, Mr. Turpin.
To your eternal damnation.
And your inevitable execution. Am I permitted to ask why I'm here? I can't think you're stupid enough to murder me.
Murder you, Sir John? You'd be no use to me dead.
No, of course not. Your instincts are far too mercenary, ain't they? I should imagine you're a considerable man of property by now. Other people's, I mean.
Well, that's one thing we have in common, Sir John, except I steal from people who can afford it.
What a droll fellow you are. I hope you'll be as entertaining on the scaffold. I'm expecting a brilliant speech. I promise to laugh in all the right places. May I?
Oh, help yourself.
By the way, do you know a man called Morgan?
Yes, Sam's an old friend of mine.
He would be.
He's the best blacksmith around here for miles. Seeing as our horses need shoeing.
You thought you'd better get him out of jail.
Exactly.
And I'm to be the key
To the whole problem.
You know, you're a very lucky man, Morgan.
If Turpin comes.
Oh, he'll come. He gave me his word.
Damn it, I've been bitten by every flea in Hertfordshire.
Spiker?
Yeah?
Are you alone, Spiker?
Yes. Are you there, Sir John? Damnation, Spike, of course I am. Oh, that's nincompoop.
Sam? Morning, Dick.
Don't do anything silly, Spiker, you understand?
I understand, Sir John.
Something tells me he doesn't understand. Swiftnick, take a look round the clear.
Are you ready?
Ready? Let Morgan go.
Let Sir John go first.
Oh, get on with it, Spiker.
On time, Spiker.
For heaven's sake, man, do what he says.
All clear this side, Dick.